Hello guys, it's me, Lucky again. What's up to all food lover there? Today we are in the heart of Lahore and we're going to try this very famous here, the Dogar Foods and Saji Corner. Sabi nila they sell hundreds of sajis every single day. Tara guys, let's see if it's worth the hype. Oh, may maitim na mantika there. Tignan nyo to guys, nakahanay ang mga barbecue tika na dahan-dahan niluluto sa ibabaw ng uling. Ito ang tinatawag nilang authentic Baluchi style. With a Lahori twist, whether you're at their Tajpura or Gari Saho branch. The vibe is always electric, super casual, a bit loud and perfect for late night food run. Look at this guys, it looks tasty and yummy, but let's taste it later. Sobrang daming pagpipilian dito pero syempre hindi tayo aalis nang hindi sinusubukan ng kanilang bestsellers. They have signature chicken saji with rice, chicken malay buti, Dogar special barbecue platter. Super dagsa ang mga tao sa gabi sa Lahore. Nakakagutom na. Tara guys, pasok tayo at tingnan natin kung worth it ba ang hype.